This is the easiest way to get your first AI employee working for you in 2026, and it does not require a developer, a tech background, or a single line of code. I've helped over 750 agency owners install systems just like this inside of their business, tracked over $13 million plus in results of what you're going to learn today. So this isn't a guess. This is something that I'm watching play out every single day. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to run a task audit on your own week, how to figure out what should never be on your plate again, and how to hand it off to an AI employee so it gets done. By the end, you'll have your first task fully delegated to AI, and you'll finally be able to start buying back your time instead of trading it. Let's get into it. Before we get into it, guys, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe, because all we do on this channel is talk about scaling agencies to $100,000 a month. So if that is you, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And if at any point throughout the video you want to learn about how we can install the systems that you're going to watch or work with you one-on-one, you guys can click link down in the description down below, and we can have a chat. So let's first start with, what is an AI employee? How do I even hire this? You see, there's a lot of chatter about AI. There's a lot of chatter about, using AI inside of your business. And if you're not, then, you're behind, and, AI is killing all of these different business models. I am very against that messaging. And how I'm looking at AI inside of my business is I'm looking at it as leverage, right? So how traditionally we leverage in our agency is we, hire people. And that's how we create leverage inside of our business so that we can have more time to work on things that actually grow the business and move the business forward. Today's day and age, we can take those same principles and we can leverage AI to buy back our time and use it to essentially leverage in our business. So just to set the tonality, that's the mindset of AI inside of our business, is how do I leverage this to be more efficient? How do I leverage this so I don't need to hire people, et cetera, et cetera? And I'm not saying that you're going to do it for every single thing, but I'm just saying you don't need a dashboard that's not helpful, okay? So let's kind of break down the first step. And this really follows our talent acquisition process. But the first step to actually hiring an AI employee is simply doing a task audit, okay? So what I like to do is I'll literally sit here for about a week straight. And if you have a team, you can do this with all of your team tasks. And I'll just begin to write down everything that I do throughout a week, or everything that I've done throughout a week. So this could be something like, sending content to clients, project managing our, tasks, assigning, setting up new clients, and onboarding. What else could be things? Sending invoices, following up on invoices, checking on our ad status. Cool. I'll just start here. Okay. So obviously I'm going to put some stuff that just literally cannot be AI defined. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do first again is write down everything that we're doing inside of our business. Okay. We call this a task audit. Cool. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use this tool called Victor. Okay. So we use a tool called Get Victor. And what we're going to do, we'll put this down in the comments down below, but what you can do is you can literally connect all of the tools that you use inside of your business, and then you chat with this tool inside of Slack. Okay. So you can literally tag it, and it's pre-connected to all of your different tools. So all you really have to do is connect every tool that you use inside of your business, and then it will do things for you. Essentially, it will kind of operate as, or it will operate as an AI employee and actually do stuff inside of your business. So what I'm going to do with this, essentially, after I sign up, after we get it, is I'm going to go to Slack. I'm going to create a channel. I'm going to add Victor to my channel, which they are added. And I'm going to say, I am an agency. Here are my lists of tasks. What can you offload so that you can do it for me? Okay, let's see what it says. Oops, I need to tag it. So I'm gonna pop it in the thread real quick. Cool. And what Victor will do is it'll identify, based off of its skill sets, what it is that they can actually get off of your guys' plate. But again, this isn't where it stops, essentially, okay? This is going to be just a small piece of the puzzle that actually makes this worth it, or actually makes it actually function really, really well. So we're gonna go ahead and tag Mr. Victor, and then let's see what he says here in a second. Here's an honest breakdown, what stays with you. So it said that it can fully own sending content to clients, okay? Well, he already has access to a lot of stuff. Project managing tasks, assigning tasks, setting up new clients and onboarding, writing scripts, ad copy. Cool. So let's go ahead and open this back up. I'm just going to screenshot this real quick, because that will be the easiest to reference. Okay. So it says that they can send content to clients. Cool. Project manage tasks. Cool. Assign tasks, set up new clients and onboarding, write scripts and ad copy, send invoices. It could follow up on invoices, check on ad status, review client results. Cool. So now we have a baseline of what it could do, and we could basically prioritize what tasks that we want to offload. But this isn't how we hire a AI employee, because if we're just having it do a bunch of random stuff without actually following a process, like AI is not going to fix a broken business. It will only work off of the tools that it has available and the systems that it has. So if we don't have a content system for our clients, guess what? AI's like relying on AI to figure this out for us is not going to be a smooth move. If we don't have a project management system, relying on AI to build a project management system in building your business is not going to be a smooth move. Assigning tasks, setting up new clients, and onboarding, writing scripts. If we don't have processes for this in a place where all this stuff lives, like we're basically asking AI to do this for us. And that's where a lot of people screw up. And I think a lot of people get wrong with AI is they think that, oh, I can just have AI do everything. But if I were to just push this forward and be like, okay, cool. Like it has connections here. So this is a little bit off. Like it already has connections to like my project management system. But for example, like if it was completely fresh and I didn't have a system and it said it could start doing this, and then I was like, okay, yeah, start doing this, then it's going to ask, what is the system? What's the current project management system? And then if you don't have that and you're like, oh, just like read Slack channels, then it's going to build its own system. It's just going to be a mess. Just like when you're hiring somebody, like we can't just throw them in the deep end and expect them to swim. So we need to make sure we have these systems set up. Okay, which is the next part of actually hiring your AI employees, making sure that you have all of your systems and infrastructure set up. So if it was like sending content to clients, project management tasks, and assigning tasks, cool. This all gets bucketed to me in like a project management system. So what we install inside of agencies, inside of Agency U, is we install a fulfillment system that when we get a new client, all of the tasks automatically get assigned, and our AI employee is automatically assigning based off of this infrastructure, which is scalable for agencies and built specifically for agencies. So now when I'm hiring, my AI employee to do this sort of stuff, guess what they're looking at? Well, they're looking at the infrastructure and the system that's already been built and already been working off of, so that it can have a source of truth and it can have all the information needed from due dates to who's responsible, all that sort of stuff. Because without that, guess what? We're guessing, okay? So this requires an OS, okay? And what you're looking at here is what we call our agency operating system. And this is where all the agencies operate off of and build their business from as their source of truth. And once this is actually installed, it becomes so easy to maneuver because there is a source of truth for the business. And then we just plug Victor in to work our source of truth. Okay. And if you guys don't have an operating system or a system, and you're wanting to hire AI employees, like the biggest mountain that you'd climb is setting up the infrastructure. And one thing that we've done for over 750 agencies is installed this exact infrastructure custom built for the agencies that we work with. So if you have any interest on us just building this for you so we can plug the AI employees in to actually work the systems, book a call down below and we'll be happy to take a look at what you're working off of. Okay. So that's the project management system. New clients in onboarding, okay? If you don't have an onboarding process that's automatically like teed up, like this knows that it has like the process already in there. So, but if you didn't have an onboarding process, right? We can't expect Victor to just like go after it. So we need an onboarding process so that it can then follow the process of what your onboarding process is, okay? So that requires an SOP as well as a place where clients actually get onboarded. Because what we'll do is when we get a new client, Victor will automatically set up all these different properties. It'll build their offer based off of the Fathom sales call. It will optimize their client operating system. It will add all the payments. It will add their onboarding form, their contact info, which happens automatically, which is manual from actually getting this triggered, but it's a process that's already been developed and AI is making it more efficient. So we're, again, using leverage to make it more efficient, okay? Same thing here, guys. Handle with one more integration. To me, this is super, super deceiving, right? Sending invoices. Cool. Well, we need a AR process so that we can actually have a process for where all the invoicing and billing goes, okay? So we have a financial OS where we have the infrastructure on all of our invoicing, everything that needs to get sent. And then how much easier is it going to be if I say, hey, actually use this board that I have, and when you send invoices, just go off of the board that's already teed up for you. Boom, way easier because it could go rogue and we don't want it to go rogue. Following up on invoices, same thing here, okay? Checking on ad status, cool, we can connect the platform, but we need what? KPIs. We need a process where we can see all of the media buying so that we can have a source of truth and be able to see everything in one place, my friends, okay? So that is the main thing that we need for AI employees to actually function. So again, first step, guys, is to do the task audit, run the task audit, install Victor into your workspace, ask what it can handle, and then two, based off of what it can handle, that's what I would prioritize building systems around and building infrastructure around so that when you plug AI into work, it's not going rogue, it's not doing its own thing, but it's working off of the systems, okay? So again, systems run the business, AI will run these systems that you plug into it. And if you guys want us to install these systems inside of your business in literally 7 days, and then also plug in AI employees to work the systems, because we also have some other AI employees that we install for other agencies inside of Notion specifically, then we'd be happy to take a look at your agency. You can book a call down below. You'll chat with one of our team members and we'll just do an audit on your agency to see if there's opportunity for us to help you out. Otherwise, guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some other videos on our channel, because again, all we do is do tactical breakdowns like this on scaling agencies to over $100,000 a month. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.